So this is my second half of June Shop My Stash, and I chose the SophX Revolution palette. This one here is the base for the eyeshadow palette I was going to use for the next 2 weeks, and I haven't used it that much. So I've only used it 4 times. I haven't been very good with Shop My Stash this time because I had a few collabs to do where I was using other things, and my dad fell and broke his wrist, and so he had to go to hospital and was in there for a few days, and I was travelling between here and the hospital, and I didn't get as much filming done. So this last week filming has been pretty slack. You haven't seen that many videos from me this week because I haven't been able to do them, and I just haven't done very well. So my blush palette, again, I only used once. And that was this colour over here. Only used that once. The highlighter palette I did use. Used this 5 times. Once was today on my face. I have a feeling I may have forgotten to write down some of the times that I used stuff this month as well, because I got busy and forgot to write things down. The Colour Pop Party Talk Super Shop Extreme Shadows, and this one's included in there. I used one colour, which was this one, which is why it's not in there. This one here. And I didn't get around to using any more. I wanted to, but I just was too busy doing other things. So that didn't work out too well either. And the Fizz one I haven't used at all. And the Folklore Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Diamond I used twice. And the Stardust Glitter one I used twice. And the Rimmel Cake Lipstick I used once. And the Ultra 3 in Soft Toffee I used twice, because I had too many collabs on this month, and I've had lots of collabs lately, which has been great, but it just means that I've been pulling in a lot of other stuff that I haven't been using my Shop My Stash stuff as much. So I do like picking a palette and using some stuff with that, but it's just sometimes I don't get a chance to use it much. And hopefully you'd be able to hear some of that, because I forgot to put my microphone on as usual, but it was sitting in front of me, so hopefully you could still hear me. So for Shop My Stash this time, I'm actually going away for the next 2 weeks. So I think I'm just going to put in my project pan stuff and use my Beauty 101 palette from Profusion lots, because I want to pan this. So I think I will take that with me, and I'll just use my project pan stuff and take that with me. So I'm not going to Shop My Stash this time, because I want to take the minimal of stuff with me for the next 2 weeks, and you won't see a lot of videos from me for the next 2 weeks. I've got a couple of collabs to go up that I have pre-filmed, but yeah, I'm going to be away, and although I will be on YouTube as a commenter and a watcher, I am not posting anything because I'm not here to film, and I haven't had time to do lots of pre-filming, and also I didn't want to put that kind of pressure on myself, and as it worked out I wouldn't have been able to anyway. So yeah, I have no idea if Shop My Stash really works for me or not. But I do like choosing a palette and a highlighter palette and things to play with. So I think I'm still going to carry on with it. It's just this month I'm just going to do my Shop My Stash stuff, because not this month I'm just going to do my penning stuff for my team project pen, because it's because I'm going away and I just want to use the minimal of makeup while I'm away, and I want to make sure that I'm using my project pen stuff as well. So that's all I have to say. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.